In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store currency on desktop. This is helpful if you're aligning your store with a new market, simplifying your bookkeeping, or standardizing how prices appear to customers. I'll walk you through the exact menu path and then explain what to review afterward so nothing important gets missed. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the admin and click Settings. In the Settings menu, choose General, which may also appear as Store Details depending on your interface. On that page, scroll down until you see the Store Defaults section. That's where the store currency field lives. Next to your current currency, you'll see a three-dot icon, also called the ellipsis. Click that icon and select Change Store Currency. A list of available currencies will appear. Pick the new currency you want your store to use, making sure it matches the market you're targeting and the way you plan to report financials. When you're ready, click Save to apply the change. After you change your currency, set aside time to review the impact across your store. Product values don't automatically convert, so your prices will remain the same numbers, but now in the new currency. This can lead to unintended price points, especially for items that used to be rounded. Go through your product catalog and update prices so they're consistent and make sense for your market. Do the same for your shipping rates. These also won't convert automatically, so check every profile and zone to ensure your rates are correct in the new currency. If you offer free shipping thresholds, confirm that the amounts still align with your pricing strategy. If you've issued gift cards, be aware that existing gift cards created in the old currency won't work after the change. Plan how you'll handle any outstanding balances and consider communicating proactively with affected customers so there are no surprises. Finally, review your installed apps. Some apps rely on a specific currency or have settings that need to be updated when you switch. Check each app's documentation or support resources to confirm compatibility and adjust configurations as needed. One last note. Changing your store's currency can have legal and tax implications. Reporting requirements may differ by region, so it's a good idea to consult a local accountant or legal advisor to ensure compliance and accurate record keeping. That's it. Your store currency is now updated, and you know exactly what to review to keep everything running smoothly.